Have you ever wondered, what if I can change my life in just 21 days? Welcome to a journey through transformation, where we explore the power of change. Grounded in research and studies, this concept suggests that it takes 21 days to form a new habit, to break an old one, or even to start charting a new course in life. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll walk you through this journey day by day. So why not take the first step towards a better life today? Day 1. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Lao Tzu. This ancient wisdom holds true even today. The first step is often the hardest, fraught with fear and uncertainty, but it's also the most crucial. It's the step that propels you from dreaming to doing, from hesitation to action. So gather your courage, take a deep breath, and make that step. It might be small, but it's mighty. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Scene script. Day 2. The struggle you're in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. Robert 2. Picture this. You're sculpting a masterpiece, but the clay is tough, resistant. That's you. The struggle, the resistance, it's all part of the process. It's the chiseling away of the unnecessary, the refinement of your raw potential. Every adversity faced, every challenge tackled, it's not there to break you, but to make you, to fortify you for the battles of tomorrow. So, embrace your struggles. They are shaping you for a stronger tomorrow. Scene script. Day 3. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. This wisdom of Roosevelt rings true. The power of belief is a formidable force. It fuels our self-confidence, propelling us towards our goals. It's our inner compass, guiding us through the challenges and uncertainties, the voice whispering, "You can do it," when the world shouts, "You can't." Belief is the first step in any journey of change. So, start believing in yourself, because that's where the magic begins. Day 4. Persistence can change failure into extraordinary achievement. Matt Biondi. As we journey through life, we encounter numerous hurdles. They may knock us down, but they cannot keep us down unless we let them. The power of persistence lies in the ability to rise each time we fall, to keep pushing, keep striving. It's the relentless pursuit of our goals that transforms our failures into stepping stones towards success. Remember, persistence is the key to turning failures into achievements. Scene script. Day 21. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Chinese proverb. This profound statement encapsulates the essence of seizing the moment. It's easy to dwell on past opportunities we've missed, but the only time we truly have control over is the present. Every moment is a chance to act, to change, to grow. It's an invitation to step into the journey of transformation today. So don't wait for tomorrow. The best time to start is now. So, we've walked through 21 days of life-changing quotes and their meanings. We've seen how words wisdom can ignite a spark within us, fueling our journey towards positive change. We began with the understanding that change is powerful, and it is within our reach. We've embraced struggle as a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. We validated the power of belief, the unwavering faith that can move mountains. We acknowledged that persistence pays off, and that the power of now is a force to be reckoned with. These quotes and their profound meanings serve as beacons on our path to self-improvement. They inspire us, motivate us, and remind us of our potential. They are not just words, but guiding lights, illuminating the path towards a better version of ourselves. Remember, the journey of personal growth doesn't stop here. It continues as long as you're willing to grow. So keep moving, keep growing, and keep changing.